Hello, storm hunters. So we switch all over to snow completely now. It's like a lot of snow has dropped since we started last hour of this. It's been coming down pretty heavily, I know, at times. It continues to drop. I mean, you see it all over the bushes here. I mean, there's a good snowball right there. Well, that hardened would be a good hard snowball. It wouldn't feel too good if you got hit by it. I mean, there it is right here. So I mean, you can just see how much snow you've gotten out here. I mean, it's plenty right now of snow. Because of a lot of troubles on the roads, as you can see. I don't know if you see it out there, but already it's going to be causing problems. This is going to be doing this till about 6 a.m. This hard and steady for a while, and then switch over to kind of off and on showers through